it is.
Hurry, Rocket! We need to get that tower key.
Uh-oh. I think someone doesn't want us to get the key. It's the Bad Knight!
I cannot believe it! He's trying to get the tower key before we do.
It's a race!
Rocket, we need you to ride fast, like a horse. We have to get the tower key before the Bad Knight. But the Bad Knight is still too fast.
I know how we can help Rocket ride faster. We can pat the beat like this. Can you pat the beat like me? Yeah! Keep patting. We're catching up. Pat louder. Louder! We're getting closer to the tower key.
Bad Knight is winning. Rocket is winning. Bad Knight is winning. Who's going to get there first?
But this is crazy! I didn't do it!
Hi, Mr. Krabs. This is Clay, the guy you sold Neptune's crown to. Yeah, I just wanted to say thanks again for selling me the crown, Neptune's crown. I sold it to a guy in Shell City, and I just wanted to say thanks again for selling me the crown, Neptune's crown. Which is now in Shell City. Goodbye.
Hey, what's going on?
You're sitting on the remote.
Shell City!
I told you so.
It's Rocket! Hooray! We got the key! Woohoo! I cannot believe it!
That was perfect patting.
And look! The Bad Knight can't stop! He's going to hit that haystack! Look out, Bad Knight!